became an issue in this country. To the extent, say, your boy, you are on my penny or tea, could not see, who videos of a terrorist, he is this, he is that, by no than John Dramani Mahama. I can tell the number of times, I can tell the number of times that John Dramani Mahama, I opeso ojabe Nana Adodan Kweku Fuadua, what you so all die be die. I can tell the number of times, and he feels say that is one thing that is so bad, that a statement that can never come from a leader. At the time, Nana Akufo-Addo had not had a bite at the leadership of this country. So at least there, I am not saying, but this is a person that who makes
is that a contextual justification of that particular statement?
I'm not justifying it. I am saying, say, or no papa penina or yeah or cast assembly or say ene. So if he has that opportunity again, he wouldn't make that statement.
Okay.
Telling you straight in the face, say, or what, and who be a asama or can. What say, on my penny that or can in contest, or no samba be church, more be dear, Tamas be cancer, who not sebi, say, a idiomatic expression. Expression. You can't do or die. What you say? Or see, or can in contest. What is the contest? When Nana Akufo-Addo was making his do or all die be die statement, it was in contest. It was after an election. He had met with party foot soldiers and addressing them. All the American say, the contest of no or ya call by election. Emma, you had been treated unfairly. What I'm saying, and to make his statement, what former president, you took him on, barring the context within which he made that statement, forgetting about everything and telling him straight, he said, that all die be die statement, you will find it literally and dealing with it literally. And about saying, saying, who was it? What election? Election, yeah, who situation you call there? What election? I could lose election, no. Who lose election, no? O say one tiase o dia court. O court when you evidence. And you meet your people the same under the same what am I trying to say? You meet your people and you are talking about the next election unfairly, talking about the next election going to be a do or die affair. And the context of Nana Akufo-Addo making the all die be die statement and you taking him on, and in the context within which you are making this very unpalatable statement, this very damning and terrorist inciting statement,
Hey, Eric,
yeah,
born enough for this mommy.
A difference between the womb. Contest, and almost a contest. And I'm maybe as a contest, the difference between the womb. Wherein lies the difference?
So for you, there is no difference.
And yes, there is no difference. The difference, okay, the difference is this. Nana Akufo-Addo, he has at least shown remorse in even making that statement.
Okay.
This is a man that is not ready. And you see, okay, the boot for boot a statement. This is a manner people are not call for. Well, nipa bonne for nipa on nipa papa no. Who tries to be defending? He said, "Then ya, who didn't say you must be defending?" He said, "Then ya, or not as a begin to buy it." And no, and now already on the man.
A quick talk from Mami Nana Jantua. Now Malibana
the dawn. Then you ask a day in a desa and the yeno eba. A day in a Cynthia mo because Sadi we see in a mekono. The dawn 2012 Yakwabatuo. Yajitu Musa and Crofo boy and Crono. Yashisha Yahuko court. Emma ye ko hu court say omonkan ya asem emma ye koye no court hwe ye nim no court panel and crofon kono tena so no emunum say omode ama then time president John Dramani Mahama emunan say omunyi ni se papa no ono no wi ni abato. And so the don ye war leader sa time no na wakwa akoka say abato yi si ye komu a eye kase bia omo say all die be die. Enti na nkrofo feel say ye ba be ye trasem. We show the leadership skills that existed in us at the time. The don ye be call 2020 elections. Utie John Dramani Mahama at the time one. Nensem wakeka any be say ye be match boot for boot. Na ye no we are a party born out of revolution. Enti party aya wo yen afri aturtrasem mu de yan de mu di sia ye betwa. The don enti ye call 2020 abatuo mu no enam say ya wo wom omufuruma ye twa omo no eye aturtrasem afurumenti no ye call ye no omo ye so ombe ye aturtrasem. Enti baby no obi akwakoda na wawe no wadi ncho no omo ko organize boys they said they don omo mra no omo mra me ye hoye ewo abatoɔ center ho na hoye no omo ba beye no eno ne kofa saa owen na ye pe obi de subo se enkrofo bi ekum obi adodon uyi NDC free ho obi enu ebetu de saa subo na bono na yen ye twen so mbe kom anim ni ya kire omo de enti a omo no omo kofa saa ekunkunkunkum ba because ye be kwa abatu ekura and don no omo di kan ka say yen de party yen ye de aturuturasema twa ya furuma de obia so nim say saa no musubantie de don ya koto abaye wie Mario Poto papa yi sign feriade o de don businessghana.com o sign ekọ kokoshia ne delegates ni bi omo to abama no o ka kire say wonu ne ho say abekura o contest here because NDC from the Tibon Kosofo in acquire pulling agents Tibon Koso or say illiterate agents. Mahama disclosed why NDC lost 2020 elections.
Onam ga say no kwasibo twe report no from this new.
Say no Mahama ko kan no. O say omo di Tibon Kosofo Tibon Koso. Etira na mi bi say Minia Alex. Okay, Tibon Kosofo no ho ana because ono de minim say no onye polling agent.
No a candidate.
No a candidate. Well, enti no wo share wow party. Now we see me lose abanu because Tibon Kosofo and I made you omo polling agents ha. Wo san ko gina be because obi awia. Ensemi no ani hwe fa. What should the entire will lose about one? Wow, cock the don. Emra ye be cockoti. Na ye de where your friend is saying amendments to court cases. Abba. The don ye de baye. Almost your munjintum. Omu di me can court coca say. Woman him see you be lose 2016 about one intino. Say about to be a becobiano. 42 days near the assembly. Ye quire omu Tibon Kosu General Secretary. And Tiamra ho kono. Or say document to cry de baba be defend the court case no we German yiri wo fie eti oba no nkita evidence bia e no de ba court ho ba ko so ono so mra no o say ono no ye doctor no ono so no ba ye no na the o hwa no say ono so kwakọ no muti no akwakoda eti ono so no anya vigilant ba ko so ba so on the okono muti e no koda so
metonu no mu nsam.
So entino osha oma huboa pa no oma ye pa se abatwe no omudi kom no eno ne de he dia ye man is kakra so on fanko kreti omo strong no mo fanko leti data no ono so home use TV na the don koto the don say home use niema